So what we're gonna need for this process actually is the air filter itself from any company. There is a lot of companies producing the same filter for BMWs and Mini Cooper in the market, and a cleaner for the condenser itself. Also, there is a lot of companies producing the same material. I don't recommend this one in specific, but anyone can do the job. We're gonna need some cleaner or some all-in-one disinfectant spray. This one gonna be the end process for the cleaning process itself, and of course some tools that will help us to disassemble the area itself, the plastic area here, the plastic cover. But after we reaching in this area in specific, the filter is laying behind this area. So I'll stop the recording now just to disassemble this part, and then I'll continue the video. Disassembling this part is very simple. It's actually one bolt here, another one here, another one there, and that's it. We're gonna need 7 mm nut for this bolt, and that's pretty it. So after disassembling the two covers together, this is the first cover which came from here, and this is the second cover which was covering this area. As I told you, it's simply one bolt. It's actually a screw, not bolt. This is the screw. We disassembled, and it's gonna expose us to this area. Let me bring in the light. So here we go. This is the cover for the AC filter itself. Over here is the area. This is the area. We're gonna just push this cab itself, and here we go. Those are the two filters we're gonna replace today and clean the area behind them. Let me bring out the filters and we will continue the cleaning process from there. Stay tuned. Here are the two air filters after removing them from the compartments over the compartment itself over there. And now we're gonna have a quick sneak on the compartment room itself. Let's have a look what's happening over there. I'll try to push the phone inside just to have a quick look on what's happening there. Yeah, and that's it for now. So here we go. After installing the new filters and cleaning it from inside using the sprays, the spray step is very simple. We are just pushing the sprays inside and just wait for a while. The foam spray, the first one, gonna do the job, the cleaning job. As you can see, there's some mess here, and then we are using the antiseptic spray that will definitely kill every single bacteria causing smell. That's it. Applying the new one, applying the new filter, pushing the first piece, then push the second piece on the top. After that, closing the door and doing everything in reverse, just like what we did in the disassembly.